students, welcome to my channel. Yes, today I am going to teach you lesson number 10, respiration in organisms in science. Yes guys, now we are going to see the exercises. Okay, first question. Why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? This is the first question. The answer: during the run, the demand of energy is high, but the supply of oxygen to produce energy is limited. Therefore, anaerobic respiration takes place in the muscle cells to fulfill the demand of energy. After finishing the race, an athlete breathes faster and deeper than usual so that more energy is supplied to the cells. Okay, what is anaerobic respiration? Okay, anaerobic respiration means this takes place. Anaerobic respiration means absence of oxygen. It takes place in the absence of oxygen. So this is the first question answer, and the second question: list the similarities and differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So the answer, okay, similarity means same, ஒரே மாதிரி, ரெண்டுமே ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, அதே மாதிரி தான். That is called similarity. And first point, you want to write similarity in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Food is broken down to release energy. ஓகேவா, இது ரெண்டு இடத்துலையுமே ஃபுட் வந்து broken ஆயிடுது. எதுக்கு? To release the energy. Then second point, both takes place inside the cells. Third point, both produces by products. Okay, then differences. First we see the similarity and second one differences. Aerobic respiration, it takes place in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic respiration, it takes place in the absence of oxygen. You can write in a box or points, like points you can write. Then second point, energy is released in higher amount in aerobic respiration, and anaerobic energy is released in lesser amount. Then third point, carbon dioxide, water and energy are produced as by products in aerobic respiration. And in anaerobic respiration, ethyl alcohol or locate carbon dioxide, water with little energy are produced by products. Then last point, it is a slow process. Which one? Aerobic respiration is a slow process, but anaerobic respiration is a faster process. For example, aerobic respiration examples are animal and plant cells. Anaerobic respiration examples are human, yeast, bacteria, etc. That's all guys. And the third question: why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust laden air? The answer: we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust laden air to expel out these foreign particles. These particles get past the air in the nasal cavity and irritate the lining of cavity, which results in sneezing. This is the third one answer. And fourth question: whenever we feel drowsy or sleepy, we get yawing. Does yawing help us in any way? Yawing means kottai vidudal. Okay, this is the meaning of yawing. And the answer: during drowsiness, our breathing rate slows down. Okay. The lungs do not get enough oxygen from the air, resulting in yawing. Yawing brings extra oxygen into the lungs to and help us to awake. So this is the answer for fourth question. And next Roman, tick the correct answers. Next Roman, in cockroaches, air enters the body, throat prickles, and second one, during heavy exercise we get cramps in the legs due to the accumulation of lactic acid. Okay. Then third one, normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is 15 to 18. In rest only they ask. Okay. So 15 to 18. During exhalation, the ribs move. Tick the correct answer. Next Roman is tick the correct answers. In cockroaches, the air enters the body through spicules, and during heavy exercise we get cramps in the legs due to accumulation of lactic acid. Normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is 15 to 18. Okay, in rest we take 15 to 18 adult persons. Okay, and the last one, during exhalation the ribs move what? Move upwards or downwards? What? Yes, the ribs move downwards. Okay, the ribs only move downwards. And next one, match the following. Yeast, alcohol, diaphragm, chest cavity, skin, earthworm, leaves as usual. Yes, leaves means stomata, fish, gills, frog, lungs and skin. This is the match the following. And next Roman, true or false? Yes. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate of a person slows down. False. Second one, plants carry out photosynthesis only during the day and respiration only at night. False. Frogs breathe through their skin as well as their lungs. True. The fishes have lungs for respiration. False. The size of the chest cavity increases during inhalation. True. Okay, next one. Respiratory process occur in two phases. What are two major steps of respiration? Okay, this is the question. The answer, respiration is the process of breakdown of food to produce energy for performing various functions. It involves two major steps, and they are inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation is the process of taking in of air which is rich in oxygen inside our body. Second one, exhalation is the process of giving air which is rich in carbon dioxide from our body to the external environment. Yes, this is second point. That's all. And the second question, definition, define the term of breathing rate. The number of times a person in a minute is called as breathing rate. An adult being can inhale or exhale 15 to 18 times in a minute. It is the average breathing of an adult person, adult human. Human being breathing rate is not constant always. Yes, this is the answer. And last question, they gave draw and label the respiratory system. So this is the respiratory system. You want to draw like this. Mention heart, pleura, nasal passage, oral cavity, mouth. Okay, you want to draw like this. And you want to write. Writing is very important. Okay Guys, now we are going to see homework questions. They told you to write in your homework, no? So that questions we are going to see now. First question, diagram forms the dash of chest cavity. Floor is the answer. And second one, exchange of gases in the leaves takes place in a stomata. And third one, cockroaches breathe with the help of tubes called tetra. Okay. And taking in of air rich O2 inside our body is called inhalation. And answer shortly. They ask definition of cellular respiration. Okay, the process of breakdown food in the cells of an organism with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. And how does gases exchange take place in earthworm? Earthworm have a soft, slimming, moist skin. Hence, the gases can easily pass in and out of earthworm through its skin. So, this is the answer. The third question, which gas present in air is essential for an anaerobic respiration? What is the role of oxygen during respiration? So, this is the question. So now I am going to give you an answer for this. There is that which and write oxygen gas present in air is essential for aerobic respiration is the answer. And another point, what is the role of oxygen during respiration? Okay, first point you want to write like this. Okay, and second what is the role of oxygen during respiration? No? So the answer, anaerobic respiration cannot take place without oxygen because oxygen is the gas used for the breakdown of food to release energy. Is the answer. Okay, first you want to write oxygen is here. Oxygen gas present in air is essential for aerobic respiration, and you want to write that another point. I told you, this point you want to continuously write. And next question, explain the process of aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, when the breakdown of glucose occurs in with the use of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. Glucose is completely broken down into carbon dioxide and water. Energy is released, and aerobic respiration takes place in mitochondria. And the processes, this formula is very important. Oxygen food goes as glucose food goes as oxygen, and carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. This one is very important. Anaerobic respiration is seen in most of the organisms such as humans, snakes, frogs, fishes, etc. And anaerobic respiration, when breakdown of glucose take place without using oxygen, it is called anaerobic respiration. The glucose is not completely break down into carbon dioxide and water. Intermediate compound is formed with the release of less amount of energy during this process. It can be shown as follows. And this one also very important. These two formulas are very important. They can give 2 marks for this also. 1 mark. Glucose, no oxygen here is going. Alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus into energy. That's all, guys. Thank you, and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I will teach you another lesson in another subject next video. Okay. Thank you.